See it right as a people, see it right here, sir, the Jamaican marigold. When it talk about strong antiviral properties, people with HSV, this is a plant for you. But not lie, I have enough people out there, whenever them a drink herbs, them a worry about their liver. This a plant that protect your liver, it protect your brain, it protect your nerves, and it protect your heart. You see, if you have some stubborn soul, your heart for better, this is one of the plants them what you want to use to make your dressing. When they talk about painkiller, see it right here, sir? Good for fight cancer. If you have malaria, even for diabetic, something in this for you. See it right here, sir? The Jamaican marigold, no doubt, is a blessing from the universe. See it then? Nature's. And right now, I pick some because it's seasonal, and I intend to use it to make some supplement. See it there? The Jamaican marigold.